Welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage, and today we got a video we all know y'all been wanting to see. We haven't did a breakdown on this car. You might know what it is by the first, well, the intro, of course, you know what it is. But today you finally get to know what's all done to it. So, figure it's a good video. This ain't the last video for the year, but we're getting there. And this might be one of his last times. Let's get into it. Pearly.
Pearly May. We back on the channel. I know y'all guys been waiting for a pretty in-depth review of this car. We've been playing with it. My man George, CEO of Pitbull Garage, has did a lot of work to this car. My man Brandon over Teos and Jared, they did some work to the car. So we're gonna get into how I found the car. So I was looking around, wanting something two-door, wanting something boosted, because I never had a two-door car, sports car, and I never had a boosted car. So this popped up out in Ohio. So I chopped it up with the owner, Ryan Grove, which was the last owner before me. And as we know, she got the name Pearly May because she done been around a little bit. Pearly May started her life in Washington. She made her way to the second owner down into Texas. Then she made her way to the third owner, which is Ryan. And then she made her way to the fourth owner, which is me. And she probably ain't never gonna go nowhere. I'm probably ended up giving her to her kids. But a little basic breakdown of the beast, 306 base stroker, on 3mm, 70mm turbo kit. Head cam car, you know what I'm saying? It's got the overdrive pulley, still power steering, still hydraulic brakes. I mean, it's got custom turbo headers on it. It's got a drill A fan system on it with a painless controller. And it's pretty much it, you know what I'm saying? The car runs great. It goes on road trips, handles good. I can't really complain about it. Turbo, had to replace it. It shot craps on me. My man in Pitbull Garage, George, he replaced all my gaskets on it, put a new timing chain cover on it because the old one was cracked. I put a good tire on it, broke the rear end, so I replaced the rear end, took it to the track. I think it made probably around 500 horsepower. That's what I was told. I was actually told it makes more, but it does have these heavy ass 17s on it, and I had crappy 60 foot, so my best time at the track was a 12.0 with 120 plus miles per hour trapping. So I think it's got a lot more into it. Once I get it over the winter, I might tweak some things, mess with the tune a little bit, throw a little more power at it. Right now it's just a 12-pound car, that's all. Street driven. Right, LMR 3-piece tinted headlights. As far as the outside goes, it was originally an Oxford white car, but now it is a lavender pearl in it. It's got 17x9s up front, American Muscle saline reps. Come on down the back. I do have a Mickey Thompson on there, ET Street SS, which is good. It's a good drag radial. It hooks up pretty decent, but it still spins. So I might do a slick or something in the future. 17x10s in the rear. And we come back here, which it has the original tail lights, which is good. I can dig it. I ain't gonna mess with it. For the rear end, it does have an 8.8. It is a SN95 swap car, so it has an 8.8 rear end, 327 gear in it, and an all-burn positive track. It is a mega squirt car. All the dummy lights work. I got my boost gauge right here, all my AC gauges, everything. It does have a Kenworth little kicker system in it. Got my air to fuel here, got my coolant temps. Then I got where I can hook up to my mega squirt, hook my laptop up to it. I got my it is a 4R75W swap car, so you got the overdrive button right there. I got my two-step switches, but as far as that, everything else is pretty much stock, all original, except the front seats. They do come out of an 06 GT Mustang. But this is a cinnamon and black car. That's the way it was made. Headliner's good, no sagging, no cigarette holes. The car is in great shape, I would say. All right, so enough of this jib jab, enough of this cracker lagging. Let's go ahead and get this thing racking. Let's go ahead and roll out, baby.
this video. Appreciate my brother Will
Yeah.
bringing old Pearly out.
Yes, sir.
So what we're gonna do is go ahead and hit that like, share, subscribe button. There's a playlist of this Mustang. Now you get the build breakdown. More to come next year, and I'll see you next time.
Peace.
Peace.